I'm Demetrius Lilley from Penn State men's basketball.
And I'm Jameel Brown, and we're here to make sausage and spinach pizza for you guys.
Okay, so today we're going to be making pizza with some toppings of sausage and spinach. And we're going to start with opening the dough. So let's give this a try. Okay. Okay, it popped. All right, first try. So we have the little bit of flour on the pan, so the dough doesn't stick all the way. Come on, bro, you got some on me.
Kind of like
throw it.
Yep.
Stretch it. Oh, no, you do that. How they do it in the pizza thing? Don't they like spread it like this? No.
Nah, we don't. We need like a roller thing.
Bro. No, I don't think we needed the flour. Kind of late for that. Yeah. If you guys want pizza, just like let us know. We're professional. We didn't start too good, but we ended up, you know, making it the best we can.
Ingredients that we like. Obviously, I think everybody likes cheese on their pizza.
Yeah.
So, but
we're not gonna cheese first, though, right?
That's true. Don't add the cheese first. Okay. We're gonna add the sauce.
Sauce.
What's pizza without tomato sauce, right? So you don't do it with a fork. I mean, spoon.
Okay.
Can't add too much tomato sauce in this company. You know. Whatever.
Spread it. You want to like spread it around. Get it everywhere. I think that's a good amount of sauce, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our sauce on the pizza. So like you said, what's pizza without sauce? Another thing is, what's pizza without cheese?
Cheese.
So you can grab the cheese.
Mozzarella is, I like mozzarella.
Yeah, mozzarella is really good on pizza.
I like mine real cheesy. How about you?
Yeah, you add the cheese. Every time I order pizza, I get extra cheesy.
Extra cheesy, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna use the Asiago cheese.
Asiago cheese.
It's a Spanish cheese that we just learned today. So
we're gonna try it for the first time today.
Try it for the first time. So we're gonna try it on our pizza.
Add a lot of cheese. Add a lot.
Add a lot. Okay. So like we like love our pizza extra cheesy.
Extra cheesy.
Cause like I like when I bite it, that the cheese still
like
spreads.
Yeah.
So you know we're gonna mix it up a little. We're gonna put the Asiago cheese on top of the mozzarella too.
And then we're gonna put the mozzarella on it.
Come on.
You know, everybody has their preference for their favorite type of pizza. So today, you know, we like to add sausage on our pizza. So here we go. We got sweet sausage right here.
You don't want to add too much topping. You don't want to make it like a
cheesesteak pizza. That's not what we're going for.
We're going for a pizza with a little bit of sausage on it.
Yep.
You know, since we're athletes and, you know, this may be kind of unhealthy at the moment, but add a little spinach to it.
Gotta add a spinach to it.
So, you know.
Great balance. Have a great balance.
You need to eat your greens. Yeah, sure. So,
add some baby spinach to this.
Okay, so I'm gonna add some spinach.
Oh and this is not even the final product.
It's not even done yet. It's not even done yet.
Not even done yet.
So this is our pizza.
This is our pizza right now. So now we're gonna put this in the oven and, you know, come back and it's gonna be dinner time. I'm just gonna bring it over now and set it down for a bit.
Okay.
So this right here.
Woo! That look good.
Now, you're gonna let it, you know, settle down for a little bit. Let it cool off. Then we'll give it a taste test. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
This is one right here. This is good.
Well, that's good.
It's fine, right?
That's good. The pizza we made was delicious. If you guys want to make it yourself, you can find all the ingredients, the sausage, the cheese, the spinach, the dough. You can find it all at Wise Market.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Appreciate y'all. Keep eating pizza.
This is good.